So hypnosis as we know it is still considered a new age therapy. However, it's been around for many thousands of years in one form or another, and to fully understand where hypnosis originated and why this is not just a fad, we need to go back and look at some of the earlier history and evidence of hypnosis right the way back to the ancient world. In fact, we can go back over 5,000 years to the ancient Egyptians to discover evidence of temples of sleep, with important buildings being frequented by people seeking enlightenment and healing whilst in a sleep state, or what we would call today a trance state when inside the sleep temples. In ancient times, of course, it was believed that entering the sleep temples and entering the state of sleep or dream connected them to the gods, where the gods would intervene in their lives, give them answers to their difficult questions and help them to heal their ailments. Once inside the temple, surrounded by all manner of paraphernalia, aromatic spices, oils, etc., they would be given a vision of how to solve their problems from the gods themselves. Today we would look at the sleep temple as something that's a little abnormal, perhaps even a bit confusing. We might even think that it's perhaps a little out there. But back then, everyone believed it worked. It was just the thing that you did if you had an issue or a problem that you needed to get resolved. So of course it worked. The people inside the sleep temples may or may not have had a direct connection to the gods. It's not really for me to say one way or the other. Although what we can be pretty sure of is that they established rapport with their unconscious mind, and that offered up potential solutions to their problems as visions or dreams. Similar sleep temples have been found in ancient Greece, and it's believed that the oracles of Greece were essentially engaged in trance when they gave their visions. The whole ceremony and process of the sleep temple experience has all of the ingredients for inducing trance, confusion or overload through the use of aromatic oils and herbs, darkness and in some cases low chanting, a desire to change something, action. Those who wanted change had to travel to the sleep temple and make a point of going inside. In short, they were serious about making changes in their life, and of course, expectation. They absolutely knew it worked. They believed they would be healed. They believed in the gods and their ability to heal them. And as such, when they entered the temple and a trance state, the change was inevitable. In today's hypnosis, the same ingredients can and often are used, albeit more subtly. We do use confusion with our language and deliberately ambiguous statements. We would ideally have our subjects travel to us for hypnosis, as then they have a buy-in, they've bought into the process. This also serves to add confusion in unfamiliar surroundings. We would want to be convinced that the subject has an open mind to the possibility that hypnosis works. And in fact, the subject must accept that it does before we start a session, and they must be at cause for the results. They must understand that the hypnotherapist is merely a guide, and that the real work is done by them from within and within their unconscious mind.